What that?
Flawless execution.
You're making a mess.
No, I'm not.
Well, you already know it. I'm at my sister's house again because we're setting up or continuing to set up her garden. And that is exactly what we're gonna do because we have a lot of things to do. We have to lay some irrigation. And also, as you can see in the background, my dad is tilling up some soil. Now, normally I don't do tilling, but we'll get into that later as to why he's doing that. So come along while we try to figure everything out. What's going on, my plant peoples? I am the ADHD gardener where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of mental health therapy. Sister, up. I'm back at my sister's house. If you can see them right back over here. We have a lot of stuff to do on my sister's garden because yeah, she's a newbie. She's a newbie gardener. She's newbie to farming. She's newbie to the whole homesteading idea concept. So we're here to help her out. There's a reason why my dad's doing a lot of tilling. Now, normally you would not want to do a lot of tilling because it can do a lot of harm, you know, killing a lot of the bacteria or the microbes that are living in the soil. But when you're starting off with a new plot that has never been worked at all, you kind of need to break up the soil a little bit. And that's what's going on right here with the tiller. It has heavy, heavy clay. So we had to break up that clay, mix it in with a bunch of gypsum that was gonna help break up the soil and allow some drainage and all that fun stuff. But we need to break up that clay. And that's exactly what my dad is doing with the tiller.
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Why don't you start from down and then you go, you can find her on Facebook and Instagram.
There we go. What?
The question is, could we have done this just as easily with a garden hoe?
I don't know. I like this.
I don't think so.
All right, let's try
The garden hoe is wider.
Let's try to dig in there.
Yeah, mule, yeah! You can do it!
You can do it!
Come on, all right.
It burns.
That's manual labor for you.
Does it look like this?
It burns.
It doesn't.
I tell you, this is better than comedy TV, yo. Oh my gosh. We used to be city folk. We would be in the city. We would just live the corporate life. What?
Place to be.
I used to travel. Stay in nice resorts and we're all black. And all this beautiful makeup from Sephora. And Ulta. I still have my pro discounts.
Hey, I used to work on Wall Street, but no more on that. I am getting such a kick out of this. This is hilarious, yo. Woo, my cheeks are gonna be burning from smiling so much.
1 week later.
All right, so what are you doing anyway?
We are using the single wheel hoe to make a trench so that we can put our irrigation, bury the irrigation. And from my last appearance in the last video, I've gotten a lot stronger, a little bit less poofier, and so now I will appear to be struggling a little bit less.
Yeah, look at you. Look at you, less huffing and puffing.
Yeah, I've been freaking out here like this, look. With the axe, and then like
It's a workout.
like weeks. When I first started doing this kind of manual labor, it's so much like ab workout. I feel like I gotta throw up every 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And now I just had to throw up every 15 minutes.
Okay. Progress.
So, yeah.
Just think of it, it's a workout. So what my sister's doing right now with the single wheel hoe is that she's making these furrows or like these long trenches inside of this because we have irrigation and we're gonna be burying it.
It burns so bad. My arms.
Well, let's watch my sister struggle. Now, one would get discouraged by all of this. The being tired, hungry, wanting to throw up, feeling sore. What is it that makes you continue?
The beginning, you're gonna suck. And it's gonna be a lot of hard work to get things a lot of money and a lot of hard work, a lot of learning, a lot of frustration in the beginning, but it's only the first year. I'm an amateur, and so I knew that this was going to be hard in the beginning.
Yeah.
Just like anything. When I was running my makeup business, it took me thousands of dollars and thousands of hours and interning hours, all that stuff, just to learn, to get my kit, all the good quality products in my kit. So it was difficult for first year, but in anything, it's difficult the first couple years, but it's getting a little easier. And plus I was not very fit, which made it a lot harder.
Yeah.
But,
trust me, this is a workout in itself.
well, the more that I've done it, at least now my pants fit a little bit better. I don't feel as bloated. I know that's some TMI, but I poop.
Okay, what we got here right now that Dad's holding and hooking up is some, what, that looks like drip tape. Is this drip tape?
That's the main line.
This is the main line. That is just going to be supplying the water all the way down the garden bed. What are you doing?
Well, we need to put a valve in here to isolate the corn.
We have this filter system. I forget what that's called. Dad, what's this filter system called? So he's got a filter and then some sort of pressure gauge on this too?
Pressure reducer to 12 pounds.
Oh, he's got a pressure reducer to 12 pounds for this irrigation line. Then, this is just a 1/2-inch tubing that is... yeah, pretty simple. Alright. So we have the... Okay, so we got the filter, we have the pressure reducer, then we have the 1/2-inch line that's being split right here. And he put the splitter here on purpose. See, look, we got a shut-off valve there, shut-off valve there. So if he wants to just concentrate all of the water irrigation on this side, no problem. The main line runs all the way down across the entire way, and then the drip tape just runs the entire rows. Same thing with this side. Feeding this side of the garden, no problem. But what are you doing?
What do you think we're doing?
I don't know, you gotta explain it.
It looks very obvious.
I told Christian, welcome to our childhood.
Oh yeah.
He goes, really? I said 110%. Welcome.
Yeah, and this is the nice version.
America, put the meters up.
All right, I'm assuming this is some drip tape that's going down.
You're assuming correct, my friend. Assuming correct.
All right.
You got your nails to drive in? No. Well, why not?
They just dropped the drip tape that's going down. That's the irrigation tape, and that's why my sister did the furrows, because they're going to be burying that drip line.
All right, what do you want from me, girl?
I want explanation and anything else.
Nah, we don't need no explanation. Put the drip emitters facing up, and you're good to go.
Drip emitters facing up. Why aren't you putting it down?
Because they don't call for them to go down. Everything has a specification. Oh, look,
Where did you get this from?
I ain't gonna say.
Is it Haas Tools?
It might be.
Wow, this looks really good. It's going down. This is where the single wheel hoe did a really good job. Right, it's going down. What do you got there? A nail? Or pose for the camera?
R&B pose.
From the 90s.
The late 90s, early 2000s. We all did it. Don't
Yeah,
even
we all
lie.
did it.
All you 90s, 2000s people, we all did it.
We all did. Especially if you from the hood. Yeah, especially if you from the hood. Yeah.
You have a group picture of a whole bunch of girls, and everybody goes like this. It's so stupid.
it
Why
is.
why is everybody crouched down?
That's the 90s and 2000s for you. I mean this. Hey, tell me again how much you love gardening.
You don't necessarily need them, but you know that you're gonna need to bury that a little deeper. That's very shallow, okay?
Yeah.
So just move on to the next one and do better next time.
Well, already.
I'm not even mad at that. That'll make it not true. That'll make it not true. All right, come on, Christian. Speaking truth. He's speaking truth. Here, follow the other side.
All right, off you go. Off you go, kid. Here's your numero uno.
I do believe I'm almost ready for an ice lolly.
What are you explaining?
Well, I suppose we gotta put the ends in there to cap off the ends. We don't want dirt and stuff to get in there. Go in from the narrow end. Okay, fold it a couple times over. Okay, then you stick it back in here and you give it a pull.
Oh, that's not bad. That's very easy. You don't even need plugs like I needed for my drip irrigation.
Yeah, why don't we put a staple in here?
I have it.
Bam! Put it right in the middle, somewhere over here. These lines, how you gonna operate like this? It's a half-ass operation.
It is half-ass.
All right,
It is.
find every stake available. All right?
That's how my garden was. It's a very half-ass
Every
operation.
stake available. All right, listen.
So why can't I just bury this and then use the nails?
Let me tell you, it's gonna be some heavy rain tomorrow, and all it's gonna turn to crap and clay again tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying. Why don't I bury this? And then
Yes, and reuse the nails.
Yeah, that's what I just said. I'm such a genius.
Yes. So keep burying, but it's gotta be deeper than that. Hey, wait a minute. What is this? What do you got here? An inch and a half?
What is it supposed to be?
At least 3 inches. So get down there with some kind of digging tool.
How about I use my hands?
That could work.
That's why I don't wear nail polish.
I don't wear any. I stopped because it's just.
Then look, it looks like yours. No offense.
You know, it looks like shit. I know it does.
Look, my friend, don't use your hands. Look, all you gotta do is get in there, okay?
That's a lot easier.
Get in there. Get in there!
Yes, sir. That's her new technique. She's just going ham.
I'm not going to. I don't. There's a label somewhere over there. Yes.
Now that I did this, do I?
Yes. Put the tape down and go cover it as you go. Okay. Now that tape is too taut. You notice that? It's gonna stick up. Just loosen it and let it go down some. There you go. There you go. Now you can gently cover it. All right.
All right.
And remember, I
that?
want that rope to be right over it again. So that's where you're gonna plant the corn, right over the drip line.
So then maybe.
No, you don't move it. It's not cheating.
No, but don't I move it over?
Well, you should move the nail over.
Oh.
Okay. There you go. With your hammer.
I am the hammer. I am the hammer. Ooh, I bet you never seen video like that.
What a workout! What a workout, baby!
Free hit training.
Heavy rain is coming tomorrow. Maybe even tonight.
Right.
What?
Keep playing around. We got a lot of rain coming.
It's supposed to rain, but I don't know how much it was gonna rain.
All day. Friday and what's today? Thursday, Friday?
Yeah.
All the way Friday into Saturday. Bring it over.
Like this?
And with whatever you want to use. You could use your
Yeah,
rake.
that
Your
works.
rake. Your rake.
My rake.
Your rake.
Your rake would
Christian,
help,
my rake.
or you can do it with your hands, whichever.
I prefer not to.
Yeah, rake.
Funny like that.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, gee, just walk down the line like this, look. Like this, look. Give me that shit.
What that?
Flawless execution.
You're making a mess.
No, I'm not.
If you want to see how we finally set up and plant a bunch of seedlings in my sister's final garden, then stay tuned for the next episode of Family Edition, where you will get a ton of laughs as usual and a lot of family fun. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you got some good information out of it, and as well as a bunch of laughs, because with me and my family, there's always a bunch of laughter. If you enjoyed this video and you want to show me and my family some love, don't forget to smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, then consider subscribing. I drop a video twice a week, and also I have a PayPal in case you want to donate to the channel, and also I have a P.O. box if you want to send me something cool. Until the next episode, you guys, where you and me both are going to be growing our happiness one plant at a time, one day at a time. I'll check y'all later in the next episode. Peace and love.